This video will demonstrate the use of the Media Library in Signage+. The Media Library is one of the options for adding content to the playlist as shown here. To learn how to create a playlist, see the Create Playlist tutorial video. In this video, we will learn how to navigate the tab, add folders, add files, delete files, and move files. First, click on the Media Library tab, and you should see all of the files that have been added, as well as the different folders available to you. Clicking between folders will change the view to show just the files in that folder. By default, the library will show all files. For training purposes, click on Add New Folder and give the folder a name. The site will also need to be selected, but most users will only have one site available. If there is more than one listed, select the site that you are currently working on signage for. Then click Continue. The new folder should appear, but there are no files in it, so let's add some. First, make sure the folder you want to add content to is checked. Then, click on Add Files. In the pop-up window, either drag and drop content or click Choose File. In this case, we'll select Choose File. Navigate to the location of your media and select the file or multiple files to upload. At this time, the Media Library only accepts JPEG, PNG, and PDF files of 500 megs or less. Click Continue, and the files are now showing in the folder. To delete files, click on the checkbox next to the file and click Remove, or select the trash can on the right. To move files to another folder, uncheck the current folder and then check the files that are to be moved. Then check the folder where the files are being moved to and select Move Files. Once you click Continue, the files will be moved. Once all the files have been added and organized, go to Create Playlist and select the Media tab to see the files you have uploaded. For more tutorials on using Signage+, please see our other videos.